Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. As you can see, this is an unboxing, and it's from Lorren. And I'm so excited because I love his spices. And yeah, so your package comes and it's in this box. Mine is in Priority Mail, United States Postal Service. And we're going to open this up together. Well, technically, we're not opening it up together because I opened it out of excitement last night when I went and checked the mail. But he sent me about 12 spices. I think these are 12 of the best ones that he has. I think he has more. I'm not sure, but half of these already tried. As you guys know, I always use them in my recipes. They're super amazing. I'm telling you, I will not promote something on my channel that's not good. I don't care who you are. I'm not going to do it. I don't care how much money you give me. I'm not doing it. If it's not good, I'm not doing it. He also sent out the hot sauce. If you order the hot sauce, clearly I already ripped this open. It comes separately in a little package that's also in the box for protection, of course, because it's glass. And this is the Scotch Bonnet hot pepper sauce, which I love, 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 love. And yeah, so I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say because I'm so excited. Like, I just seriously love all of his spices because they're realistic. I know what I'm putting on my food. I don't know every spice that's in each bottle, but I can see what's in there. Some of the stuff I can see what's in there, and I like that. So yeah, we're gonna go through all these so y'all can see exactly what he sent me. All right, so I got the Caribbean curry seasoning. I already tried this one. It's amazing. The gourmet seafood is amazing. I've already made countless recipes with this spice. You need absolutely nothing else. If you're making shrimp, fish, whatever, you need absolutely nothing else when using this spice right here. Then we have our gourmet seasoned sea salt. I'm not sure if I used this one before, but I'm pretty sure it's good. Now this collard green, y'all, I know the holidays are over, whatever, but Easter is coming up. I know somebody gonna be making some collard greens. Order up your gourmet collard green seasoning. This seasoning is superb. Like, it's superb. My whole bottle is already gone, and I'm happy I have another one. You can also use this on some spinach or some cabbage. I've used it on all the above, and it works, but it's especially great on collard greens. Now, this right here, I have not tried as of yet, but I've been scoping this out on his website, which I'm going to link below. And I'm happy he finally sent it to me because I'm so ready to use this. This is probably going to be used in my first video back, my new season coming up. I also got the Gourmet Chicken Bouillon. This basically represents, you know, those little cute packets we buy for soup or stews. This is what this is. Then I got the Poultry Seasoning, the Caribbean Jerk Seasoning. Y'all already know. I got the Gourmet All-Purpose Seasoning. I got the Country Barbecue Rub. I love this one too. It's great on lamb to me. It's really, I mean, it's good on steak too, but it's really good on lamb. I like this on lamb. I like this one on lamb. The Grilled Steak Seasoning. This one is awesome on burgers. I already used this before in a video on a burger, so I love this one too. And last but not least, the Beef Stew and Oxtail Seasoning. I also used this in a few videos from before. So I think maybe 5 of these I haven't used yet, which is the sea salt. Let me see which one I haven't used. The Berber, the Bouillon. I think that's it. All the other ones, I've been killing it in the kitchen with them. So I hope you guys follow him, order up. He also has a YouTube channel. Check him out. Lorren, and his website is keithlorren.com. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I can't give you a date, but I promise you guys you're gonna be entertained. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.